Hi, welcome to Vraj. This is the new hostel we have made in Kaprada. We were looking to make a space which is just beyond hostel. Vraj is designed in that way. Vraj is a part of a larger project called Vrindavan. Vrindavan has various things in it, right from a cow shed to organic farming to music, karate, art. There's a lot of open space. So the kids who come and stay here not only get to live a happy life, healthy life and pursue their studies, but beyond that they get to learn a lot of things staying in this environment. Most of the things are planned, but there are few things which have a larger plan. In a sense, you have to follow what is already finalized and destined. Vraj definitely falls right in it.
इधर आसपास के बच्चे जिसके माँ बाप जाके दूर मजदूरी करने के लिए जाते थे तो वो बच्चों को भी लेके जाते थे, तो ऐसे बच्चे पढ़ाई में रह ना जाए, तो इसके लिए ये व्रज हॉस्टल चालू किया।
This land belongs to Devram Bhai, and Devram Bhai is a retired teacher who has a Krishna temple here. This was his ancestral house.
બાળકો જો અહીં થોડા ઘણા હજુ પણ વધે, બધી સુવિધા થવા લાગી છે એટલે બધું વધે, બાળકો છાત્રાલયમાં શિક્ષણ મેળવે અને એનું જીવન થોડું ઊંચું કરે એ જ આપણી આશા છે અને એના માટે આપણે જે કંઈ થોડું ઘણું આપણે જે યોગદાન આપવું પડે તે આપવા માટે તૈયાર છે.
There were no funds. We started it, people joined us and funds kept flowing. This entire thing has been made in a record time of about 3.5 months. So we have made a lot of facilities, basic facilities, which is common to all hostels. This structure is the storeroom, this is the kitchen and this is the dining area. This is a boys hostel. There is enough space for 20 boys to stay here. They have the storage, all the cupboards are there. Each boy has his independent bed and they are supposed to keep it neat and clean. And they live in this place like it's their house.
ये हमारा हॉस्टल है और यहाँ हम रहते हैं, यहाँ हम पढ़ते हैं और सोते हैं। ये सब मेरा दोस्त है और यहाँ पे मैं सोता हूँ। हमारा बाथरूम है पास में है हॉस्टल के।
And here come the two dogs of Vraj. This is Rani. Rani is a very sweet girl. So he is Viru. He is the other dog. A little naughty. Always need to keep disciplining him. How do you teach a kid to be sensitive to nature and other things? The closest of it would be a dog, because dogs have over the years become a part of the family in real sense. When this hostel was being made, it is Viru and Rani who were small pups who started coming here for food, and slowly we realized that they have adopted us before we could think of adopting them. Cow is commercialized. Do the cows get the opportunity to live their life? Why don't we let the cows be? And therefore we came up with the project called Kamdenu. So we have adopted 4 cows and a bull. They are local Dangi cows. Generally people here don't keep them because they don't give a lot of milk. But we are not taking milk from them. We are not taking anything from them but for the cow dung, which we put it back into the organic farming as a manure. We have a dedicated person for taking care, and we also follow a no-tie policy. These cows are here to stay and this is their house, it's like they are a part of the Vrindavan project. We should not only keep taking from the nature, we should try and see to it that we are as close to nature as possible. And therefore here this entire project recently has been made solar efficient by the help of BCS Foundation. We are basically taking care of the entire demand of our power. This area needs a lot of green, so we have done tree plantation. This is a jambu tree. You can see lemon. The tree plantation has been done by our partners, Bhattiyas. When we planted, they were about 1 feet high, and now you can see that most of them have reached about 7 feet. There is a little bit of an issue of water, so water conservation becomes very important aspect. And recently also we have put solar geysers to reduce the wood consumption. So what we can say is we want to make it a green project. The idea is to make it an efficient green project. So our kids right from the beginning understand the importance of being with nature and using the resources with some kind of responsibility.
ये जो छात्रालय चल रहा है उसमें बच्चे रोटी बनाते हैं, कुक को हेल्प करते हैं और खुद का जो दिनचर्या का जो बेसिक काम होता है ये खुद करते हैं। खुद को खुद संभाले और खुद के पैरों पे खड़ा हो, इसलिए ये काम करते हैं।
महर्षि भाई से हमारी बहुत सारी बातें हुई। विस्तार में ऐसी सेवा की आवश्यकता है जिससे आने वाली जो पीढ़ी है उसे लाभ मिले। तो उस विचारधारा से फिर ये स्पर्श की जो एक ब्रांच जो है ये एजुकेशन, उससे मेरा जुड़ना हुआ।
यहाँ ऐसा नहीं कि बच्चा जो आता है तो इनको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं किसी के आधार पे जी रहा हूँ, ऐसा नहीं लगता। इनको लगता है ये मेरा घर है, दिस इज माई हाउस।
We have been blessed with donors like Piyush Bhai Kothari from Jewelex, Vimlesh Bhai Shah, there are Thakursis, there are the Hygienic Research Foundation. If you are going on that path, there's always somebody to back you. And that's been the story from the day Spurge started actually. Vraj should become a place where people come, people learn, people enjoy, people participate, and people go back as a better person by giving. You know, the process of giving makes you a good person. So this is a place where I want more and more people to come and do that.